kindergarten, it's Miss Smith, and today we are going to practice writing some math sentences. Now, addition is a very natural concept for kids. We're sort of born knowing how to put numbers together and find the sum. So when we're working with children, we really want to make sure we're focusing on correct format, correct vocabulary, and really encouraging kids to explain their thinking. Now, because adults have been doing math for so long, we tend to get a little sloppy with our vocabulary. So many adults might read this math sentence as 5 and 3 is 8. But when we're working with children, we really want to emphasize correct terms for the symbols. Plus and equals. Say it with me, kids. Plus equals. 5 plus 3 equals 8. The numbers that we add together, 5 and 3, are called the addends. The plus sign adds the addends together. Now, the equals sign leads us to the sum. In this sentence, the sum is 8. It's the biggest number, the total of everything added together. For our first problem, we have our math sentence already started. It says 5 plus 3 equals, and we need to find the sum. To do this one, I'm going to use crayons. So under the number 5, I'll place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 crayons. And under 3 crayons. We can count them all together to find the sum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we know that 5 plus 3 equals 8. For the next math sentence, I'm going to use pennies to help me choose my numbers. I'm going to grab a few and see how many I got. 3 pennies. So 3 will be my first number in the math sentence, and I can count up the rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to write the number for each group. 3 plus 7 equals, we can count them all up to find the sum all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is my sum for this math sentence. Let's read our math sentence. 3 plus 7 equals 10. I can also set up a math sentence by first telling a little story. So my story goes like this. I had 4 Oreos after dinner, and then before bed, Mom gave me 2 more. Wow, that's a lot of Oreos. 4 plus the 2 more equals, let's count up the sum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 Oreos all together. If you're looking for more of a challenge for your child, you can structure some addition sentences this way, where there is an unknown addend. 6 plus something equals 10. And this is a great way to include counters and have your child work through explaining their thinking aloud to find out the missing addend in this math sentence. For example, I have 10 pennies here, so I already know that I have all the numbers needed for my sum, the biggest number. I have my pennies set up with 5 on top and 5 on the bottom, like a 10 frame. So I can move them into the groups. I know that these 5 plus 1 more are the 6 needed to match this number. That leaves me with 1, 2, 3, 4 pennies. I know that 6 plus 4 equals 10 because we started with 10 pennies all together. Thank you for doing math with me today, kindergarten. I hope you have fun solving some math sentences at home. Bye.